How to download and apply new wallpapers on your Android. If you want to give your phone a fresh new look, let me show you the easiest way to do it. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, tap Wallpapers. Next, tap Wallpaper Services or Explore More Wallpapers. If available, you'll be taken to the Galaxy Themes app, where you can browse thousands of wallpapers. In the Galaxy Themes app, tap Top. Then tap All option, then tap Free to get the wallpapers. Once you find one, tap on it to preview how it will look on your phone. If you're happy with it, tap Download if required, then tap Apply. Now, choose whether you want to set it as your home screen, lock screen, or home and lock screens. Then confirm your selection. Your new wallpaper will be applied instantly, giving your Android a fresh new appearance. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and Android how-to tutorials.